All right, I'm going to skip down to, I'm going to skip key repair for a second, or key replacement, well, no, we'll talk about that. Key replacement's got tremendous value for someone who's lost a key, okay? A couple years ago, I bought a car. Within a month, I went to, I go to the airport every week, so I dropped it off, went to Greensboro, went to Sarasota, came back home, no key. $55 Uber ride home, $55 to get the other key, $55 Uber ride back to the dealership, $375 to replace the key. So it was about a $500 expense to me because I didn't get key replacement when I bought the vehicle. So you don't have to sell me hard on key replacement, I get it. But most people, when they lose a key, what do?
They have a spare.
They take better care of their second key, okay? So most people don't even know what it costs to replace a key. I have a daughter. She went to the University of Georgia, not an institution of higher learning, evidently. She texts me a picture of her key, and it's come apart from the fob, and she goes, hey, I went to the dealership, they tried to charge me $250, they're trying to rip me off. Can't I go to Home Depot? I went, good God. I raised her. She thinks she can go to Home Depot because this is not a key. This is a computer. You know how many chips a Porsche key fob has in it?
How many?
160 in the key fob. By the way, if you buy a $150,000 911 today, you get a key fob with a promise of another one someday. Literally. Some of the Porsches got 16,000 chips in them. Okay, you wonder why I got a chip shortage. So most people don't understand that this is a computer. Does it require programming? Yes, it does. Do computers require programming? Do computers have chips? So this is not a key fob. This is a mini computer. William, true or false? Absolutely. So if someone has not replaced a key, you've got to create you have to do what I call context. You have to say, any idea what it costs to replace a key? $250 to $500, okay? That's what it costs to replace a key these days. I've got a Honda, it was $375. I can't imagine what an Audi or a BMW or Mercedes-Benz would be. I can't imagine what it cost, well, they're expensive. But let's jump down to, what do I get